What is up, guys? It has been a hot minute. I don't have a whole lot of subscribers, so it doesn't really matter anyways. But I have been gone for a very long time, and I kind of want to get back into the swing of things when it comes to this YouTube channel and start being a little bit more proactive. So it gives me something to do and helps me and uses this as a way to document everything. So that being said, we're going to go right into it. The way how I trade is trading the forever model. This is something that I learned from Justin Werlein, and it's been helping me ever since. I only trade funded accounts. I don't trade live. I just think that the ROI is better. So if I can copy trade multiple accounts to make more money without risking my own capital, then that is amazing. So we'll go right into it. Whenever I hopped on this morning, I noticed that we could probably go either way. So looking at the screen, I noticed this was before 9:30 open. We were kind of way up here, and I wanted there to be a 50% retrace down here. Touch this, and then sweep some sort of liquidity, which was right here and right here. Which we had done, and we're also using ES as correlation to find any sort of SMT, which we had, and ES did not take out this liquidity when NQ did. Let's go to the 15-minute. Wait, we're on the 1 hour. Yep. So let's go to the 15-minute. What had happened is we just completely dumped, taking out this liquidity, going into the 50% range, creating an SMT with ES. So that being said, because we are way below Asia range and midnight, I'm looking to take some sort of buy. So I want to buy at this time, but I need to find a good setup. I can't just buy something without there being any sort of structure, and even if there was an SMT and it hit my range and took out some sort of liquidity. So what I'm looking for is a change in the state of delivery, a fair value gap, and an internal liquidity sweep or turtle soup. On the 5-minute, we didn't really have a whole lot of structure yet, and it was around this time whenever I noticed that we did have this turtle soup right here. Once we take the low and then take out the highest low to go up and have this change in the state of delivery with the 5-minute, that's how I know that we're probably going to go higher. I didn't notice it. I only noticed it after I took the trade, but on the 1-minute, it'll make a lot more sense. So we took out the liquidity. We came into this 50% of the range. We're now in a discount. We've created an SMT with ES. We came back up. If this were to break above the fair value gap, I still wouldn't have taken it, because I've done this so many times and lost so many accounts because it still doesn't give me any sort of structure. This to me is not a turtle soup. That right there is not a turtle soup for me. And what I want is a turtle soup or some sort of SMT. This right here is a turtle soup. Even though we didn't break this fair value gap, and if we did, I still wouldn't have taken it, but because we didn't, which was great, we came all the way back down, created this turtle soup, and then we have a fair value gap, 1-minute fair value gap, and a 1-minute change in the state of delivery right here. So once we broke above this fair value gap, and you can just see, like, look at the speed going up like that, right? This obviously just is begging to want to go higher. So once we close above the 1-minute and the fair value gap, that's whenever I put on 7 micro contracts. And my profit target was to be around like 650 per account. And as you can see, we just trailed all the way up. Now we're just kind of consolidating. Once we have distribution like this, it's normal for it to look like this. And that's it. That's my cut. I'm happy with it. Thought it was a great trading day. I'm not going to be on tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to have off. But I will see y'all next week. If y'all have any questions, y'all like this type of video format, content, or anything, you want to see more of something else, then let me know. And please like and subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Peace.